How's everybody doing today? So, before we get into putting the scope and sighting in the 22, there's a leaf on that bucket over there, and I thought it was a lizard for a second. Before we get into all this, we're going to real quick switch over to the first fishing trip of the year. Didn't catch anything, but here's probably about 2 minutes of that. Alright, so we got a little, I don't know, what do you call this, chartreuse spinnerbait. Gonna be working it down the bank. It's about 50 degrees outside today, so we'll see what we can do. Dang duck's coming over here. No, watch out, duck. Alright, we're in a different spot of the pond. We got the bait caster out right now, and we're using just a, I don't know, probably 4-inch curltail worm. We're throwing it right down some piping. Got him. Oh, I had him. Dadgummit. Okay, come on. Quick. You got him. No. No. Come on, baby. You had that bass. Now you got a bird nest in the spin. Why is this happening? Why? Come on. Back to it. Come on, baby. Hit it back right where you were. Hit it back. Dead stick. I'll let you know if we catch any fish, and if not, enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, welcome back from that. Yeah, we didn't catch anything. So, real quick, let's put on the scope for the 22. Alright, we got the scope put on. We got a target downfield, probably about 25 yards, so let's see what we can do with it. Probably actually need to get it off safety. Gun jam already. Looks like we're almost dead on. We're just a little bit low. Wasn't out of sight too bad. To the left and up. To the right and up. Looks like we're dead on, but let's take a couple more shots. Let's make sure of this. Smoked it. That'll do it. Put one more in it and we got this baby in. Oh yeah. Yep. We're in. Alright, so here we are. It looks like a war zone, but let's get over to it right here. So you see right here, these are our best shots. We're putting it right on it. Right there, and that's the one that we really got it in. And I'm going to say these three were actually our last three that we shot, so we know we're right on it. I think I pulled this one here a little bit, but we got it sighted in, ready to go squirrel hunting, ready to do about what you need a 22 to do. There's only one logical thing to do once you fully sight in a semi-auto. Make it sing. Unless, of course, you get gun jams. That's the end, and thank you for watching. See you outdoors.